In this video, I'm going to show you how to link layers in Photopea. First, head over to your Photopea project. For example, imagine you have multiple elements placed on top of each other, such as a shape, an apple image, and another circular shape. If you select any one of these layers from the Layers panel on the right side of your screen and try to move it, you will notice that only the selected item moves. However, sometimes you may want several objects to move or transform together instead of individually. This is where linking layers becomes useful. To link layers, first make sure the Layers panel is visible on the right side of your screen. If you cannot see it, click on the Window option at the top of your screen and make sure the Layers option is enabled. Once the Layers panel is visible, click on the first layer you want to include in the link. After that, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and click on the other layers you want to link together. Continue selecting as many layers as you want while holding the key. Once all the layers are selected, look at the bottom of the Layers panel where you will see a link icon. Simply click on this icon to link the selected layers together. After doing this, you will notice a small link symbol appearing next to those layers in the Layers panel. This indicates that the layers are now connected. If you select any one of these linked layers and move it on the canvas, all the linked layers will move together as if they are a single object. If you ever want to move one of those layers independently again, you can remove the link. To do this, select the linked layer and click the link icon again to unlink it. After unlinking, moving that layer will no longer affect the others. Linking layers is especially useful when you want to keep multiple elements aligned or move a group of objects together without merging them into one layer. And this is how you can link layers in Photopea.